What if your genes are not your destiny, but the starting story of who you are? I just finished day 3 of the Eudaimonia Summit, where I heard Dr. Yael Jaffe, a PhD in nutrigenomics, speak about genetics and epigenetics, and I want to share a few mind-blowing takeaways about genetics, emotions, and your health. Genetics is like the language of your body, but instead of 26 letters, we only have 4, A, T, G, and C. 99.9% of that code is identical between all of us. It's the tiny 0.1% difference that explains why you respond to food, exercise, toxins, stress, and trauma differently than your sibling, your best friend, or your spouse. Those tiny, what we call spelling changes in your DNA can change how you make enzymes, hormones, neurotransmitters, things like dopamine, serotonin, estrogen, and even collagen. That's why 2 people can drink the same coffee, do the same workout, or live through the same event and have completely different reactions. Now, here's where it gets really powerful. Epigenetics means above the genes. It's not about the letters themselves. It's about how those genes are switched on and off. Every moment, your body is getting signals. The food you eat, toxins you're exposed to, medications, the health of your microbiome, your sleep quality, and your movement, and especially your emotions. You can picture little tags that either silence or wake up a gene. For example, when you drink coffee, your body literally has to switch on genes to make that enzyme to break down caffeine. That's epigenetics in real time. But here's the part that gave me chills. Our emotions act like biochemical signals too. So if you're living in chronic fear, stress, loneliness, or unhealed trauma, it's like telling your genes over and over, you're not safe. That signal is now linked with more inflammation, more chronic disease, and faster aging. Especially if you inherited gene spelling already makes you more sensitive. But the opposite is also true. Experiences of love, safety, connection, joy, touch, energy work, breath, and community, all of these send a different message. Love and connection literally changes gene expression in a healing direction. Love is as real of a signal as broccoli or a great quality supplement. So genetic testing is not about labeling you as broken or doomed. It helps us answer the why behind how you're feeling, so we can work on the how to support your body, your brain, your mood, and your resilience. Your genes are the blueprint you were born with. Epigenetics is the way you live your life, the choices you make, and your emotions interacting with that blueprint every second. You are not your mutation. You are a living conversation between your genes and your environment. And the beautiful part is we can change that conversation. If you have any questions about genetic testing, please schedule your free discovery call. Link is in the bio. And as always, stay informed and stay healthy.